In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn on off autocode completion in Google Antigravity. Autocode completion, sometimes called suggestions or intellisense, predicts the next bit of code as you type. Turning it on can speed up your workflow and reduce typos. Turning it off can be helpful when you want to focus without pop-ups. Here's how to control it in Antigravity step by step. First, open Antigravity. You can do this in your browser or from the desktop app, whichever you normally use. Once you're in, make sure you're on a screen where the top navigation bar is visible. At the top, open Settings. It's usually labeled Settings and often appears as a gear icon on the right side of the header. Clicking this takes you from your coding view into the configuration area where personal and editor preferences live. Next, choose Open Anti-Gravity User Settings. This section applies changes to your account rather than just a single project. Using user settings ensures the behavior follows you across workspaces and files, which is exactly what you want for an editor feature like code completion. Inside the user settings, click on the tab that controls the editor. Depending on your version, this tab may be named Editor, Code, or something similar. If you see multiple categories, pick the one that mentions the editor, suggestions, or typing behavior. Tabs help organize a long list of preferences, so taking a second to land on the right one will make the next step straightforward. Now find suggestions in Editor and turn it on or off. When it's on, Antigravity will surface inline proposals, method names, and parameter hints as you type. When it's off, the editor stays quiet and lets you write without prompts. The toggle updates immediately in most builds, so you can switch back and forth whenever your task changes. If your team uses a shared configuration, you might see an informational note explaining how your organization handles defaults. Your personal toggle still determines what you experience. That's it. You went to Antigravity, opened settings, entered your user settings, moved to the editor tab, and adjusted suggestions in editor. A quick tip. If you don't see the option, you're likely in project settings or viewing a minimize menu. Make sure the editor category is visible and it should appear. And if you switch devices, remember that user settings sync with your account, so your preference will carry over. Thanks for watching and enjoy coding with the level of assistance that fits your flow.